So Cape Town Society for the Blind is an organization that caters for the needs of blind and visually impaired people, specifically to get them educated and equipped for the open labor market.
So basically what we do here is we do offer skills training. So often they used to maybe work before, or they never had employability skills before this, and we basically give them skills that is accessible to them. We offer supportive services to people that are visually impaired. Often our visually impaired persons, they don't know that these services are available. So we do check your eyes. We have an optometrist that will check the health of your eyes, see what your visual abilities and challenges are, and then you also have access to our social worker, our orientation and mobility practitioner focuses on helping you to walk independently, as well as myself. I focus on independence in activities of daily living, as well as vocational rehabilitation.
My name is Sir Joel January, and I'm the Awareness Officer at Cape Town Society for the Blind.
My name is Ashika Adams. I'm the Occupational Therapist at Cape Town Society for the Blind.
My name is Helmi. I'm intern here at CTSB. In this workshop, I'm doing tomorrow's Wednesday session with the students all about well-being and mental health while working. In general, internet, I need it for everything really.
You know, these days everything is internet based, and especially the programs that are taught to our students, they depend on the use of internet. For example, the end user computing, as well as the ICDL course, and also the smart digital training course. So that requires internet.
So obviously they gain a lot of access to be able to implement the modules that they can actually get their certificate at the end. So definitely RSAWEB is helping us a lot with the connectivity aspect, so that those programs can be accessible to our visually impaired persons, and they can actually gain the skill that they need to become independent in that task.
Internet at such a quick speed allows the individual to, operate their computers, laptop, or whatever devices, as well as their mobile phones. As quick as the internet is, it allows you as an individual to work at that speed as well.
Especially with the blind and visually impaired, because I can't visually show stuff, so I usually use some kind of audio. If we want to do maybe some kind of exercise, I might have some kind of audio in the background, so internet. So yeah, for almost everything.
The eyes is a very important organ of our body, and we need to have it to basically be independent in a lot of tasks, and it can often be very isolating and difficult when you are going through something but you don't know what support is available to you. So we are open for appointments and bookings, so get your eyes tested, and we are here to support. Thank you.